Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix monitor screen going black randomly on Windows 11, 10. First method is click Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Change all option to never, click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand PCI Express, click and expand Link State Power Management, change to off, click Apply, click OK. Second method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Display. Click Advanced Display, change refresh rate. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update display adapter driver. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.